Google's terrifying SoundStorm AI. This is going to be something which you have never seen the likes of before. This new AI transcends image and text to enter a new realm: voice and sound. Google, the prominent technology giant, recently introduced an innovative artificial intelligence tool named SoundStorm, which is truly remarkable in its potential and far surpasses the conventional expectations. Watch this one till the end, because it could be a revolutionary step forward in the development of AI and could also bring us closer to the realization of artificial general intelligence. Welcome back everyone. It's time for AI. Here we cover the latest news and breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will be talking about the SoundStorm AI that has been announced by Google. Keep watching till the end to hear from a well-placed industry insider exactly what the potential implications of releasing this technology to the general public might be. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on everything hot in the field of AI. SoundStorm represents a huge leap forward in AI-generated voiceover. SoundStorm's impressive ability to accurately capture the delicate intricacies of human speech, including subtle variations in tone, intonation, and brief pauses, is what sets it apart from other voice generators. Before we dive into the technicalities and reveal an insider perspective on the potential risks, benefits, and broader implications of SoundStorm, we want to hear from you what you think of AI voiceover generators. Do you use them? Are you able to distinguish between real voice and AI-generated voice? What do you content creators think about this technology and its implications? Let us know in the comments below. Without further ado, let's dive right in. What is SoundStorm? SoundStorm is described as efficient parallel audio generation in the paper released by Google. Google has previously released AI-based voice generators such as Audio LM. However, these models process data sequentially, that is, one token after another in a series. Now, this can become extremely slow, especially when the model has to decode long sequences and generate complex responses. Hence, SoundStorm was created to address the problem of generating long audio token sequences by relying on two novel elements. 1. An architecture adapted to the specific nature of audio tokens as produced by the SoundStream neural codec, and 2. A decoding scheme inspired by MaskGIT, a recently proposed method for image generation, which is tailored to operate on audio tokens. This approach seems to have paid off because, as reported by Google, compared to the autoregressive decoding approach of Audio LM, SoundStorm is able to generate tokens in parallel, thus decreasing the inference time by 100-fold for long sequences, and produces audio of the same quality and with higher consistency in voice and acoustic conditions. SoundStorm can hence synthesize high-quality, natural dialogues, allowing one to control the spoken content via transcripts, speaker voices via short voice prompts, and speaker turns via transcript annotations. This video below shows SoundStorm in action.
Did you hear about Google's paper on SoundStorm?
No, I must have missed it. What's it about?
Well, it's a parallel decoder for efficient audio generation, so it can even be used to generate dialogues.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, like this one was generated by SoundStorm.
Wait, what?
With a mere 3 sound input, this AI tool has the remarkable ability to produce highly realistic dialogues between two individuals. The precision with which it emulates human conversation is truly astonishing, making it nearly indistinguishable from genuine human interaction. Another awe-inspiring aspect is SoundStorm's exceptional expertise in dialogue synthesis, surpassing previous endeavors in the industry by generating voiceovers that perfectly capture the essence of human-like speech. Before we go into more details about SoundStorm's performance, take a moment to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on shocking updates like this one. SoundStorm's performance. As mentioned before, SoundStorm produces audio 100 times faster than Audio LM. SoundStorm also has the unique ability to generate a conversation between multiple entities, thereby making use of different voices, talking styles, and also maintain in different contexts. You can see from this image below that for different lengths of sequences of audio, SoundStorm has the lowest runtime compared to different variations of Audio LM. You can also see that the acoustic consistency of the voice generated by SoundStorm remains roughly the same as that of a human voice throughout the conversation, whereas for Audio LM, it drops off considerably with time. Let us know what you think about these impressive performance metrics in the comments below. Implications on society. You might already be wondering about the potential implications of unleashing such powerful technology into society. While it brings forth fresh opportunities for content creation and increased efficiency, it also gives rise to significant ethical concerns, particularly in relation to impersonation and bypassing biometric identification. It is crucial that we establish strong safeguards to prevent any potential misuse. SoundStorm definitely raises concerns about the future of digital identity and also poses the need for ethical use of such technologies. Since it is already difficult to distinguish between human voice and AI-generated voice, it is imperative that this technology is developed carefully and with the potential downsides in mind. Google has stated in its SoundStorm announcement that they will ensure that audio generated by SoundStorm will remain detectable by a dedicated classifier. These classifiers can already point out audio generated by Audio LM, and so they will ensure that SoundStorm maintains the same properties. Google also states that, in the future, we plan to explore other approaches for detecting synthesized speech with the help of audio watermarking, so that any potential product usage of this technology strictly follows our responsible AI principles. Now, let's quickly summarize the key points we have discussed. The groundbreaking feature of SoundStorm lies in its ability to create voiceovers that are incredibly lifelike, capturing human-like nuances and inflections. This represents a significant advancement, but it also carries inherent risk if used improperly. This observation brings forth important questions about the future of AI, digital identity verification, and ethical boundaries. Before we conclude, I would like to leave you with a thought-provoking question. How do you envision a world where AI-generated voices are almost indistinguishable from human voices? How would this technological leap transform our interaction with devices and digital interfaces? Feel free to share your intriguing perspectives in the comment section below. Thank you for watching It's Time for AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We will be back again shortly.